At AEG, you'll find a wide range of ovens and cookers to suit all kitchens and lifestyles. But understanding the different models will help you to make the best decision for you. Here, we'll explain the different types and sizes of ovens and cookers and answer some useful FAQs around installation. Firstly, a built-in or integrated oven is one that slots into your kitchen units seamlessly. They can be built in at eye level or under the counter. All AEG ovens are electric, not gas. Cookers are freestanding all-in-one appliances consisting of a hob above an oven, and they can be fitted in an appropriate space between your kitchen counters. You'll find gas and dual fuel cookers in the AEG range. AEG cookers are usually 60 centimetres wide, but we recommend measuring your old appliance or the available gap to ensure a good fit. The industry standard cooker height is 90 centimetres, but for extra flexibility, AEG models come with adjustable feet. For built-in ovens, there are two industry standard sized appliances, the single oven and the compact oven. A built-in single oven measures 60 centimetres by 60 centimetres. If you are replacing a single oven or have new kitchen furniture, our single ovens will fit into any standard single oven housing unit. This makes replacing or selecting an oven very simple, but just to put your mind at rest, your aperture will look like this. Your AEG built-in oven, whether it's a single, double or compact oven, will not need additional ventilation gaps. This is because the oven vents from the front while cooking, and AEG ovens only require a 20mm gap at the rear. The extra few centimetres in a standard 60 centimetre deep housing unit allow for cables and any gas pipes. A built-in compact oven measures 60 centimetres by 45 centimetres. Again, this is an industry standard size and will fit in any standard compact oven housing unit. People may choose to have a compact appliance, such as a combination microwave oven, above a 60 centimetre oven. Others choose to balance by adding a 15 centimetre warming or vacuum packing drawer beneath to give the perfect design alignment. Some people may choose a suite of appliances and add other compacts such as a coffee machine or additional ovens to create a block of 2 or 3 columns within their design. You will need a shelf between your oven and compact. However, your oven or compact could sit directly on top of a warming drawer. An AEG appliance can also be installed beside other AEG built-in appliances. Other popular ovens are built-in or built-under double ovens. The 60 centimetre width is standard across all models and kitchen units, but most built-in models will have a height of around 90 centimetres, and built-under models will have a height of around 70 centimetres. It's important to remember that a double oven cavity is shorter than an oven and compact. However, you could replace a double oven with a 60 centimetre single oven and a 29 centimetre warming drawer, giving them the same combined height as a double oven. This may give you access to additional features, but without the need to adjust your furniture. If you are positioning two side-opening 60 centimetre ovens underneath a worktop, remember to select one left and one right side opening oven door. When selecting appliances, it's also worth considering all the innovative features that are available, such as pyrolytic self-cleaning or steam functions, to ensure you choose the best appliance for you. You will find lots of information about the available features on the aeg.co.uk website. When it comes to installation, if you buy directly from aeg.co.uk, we offer an additional home delivery and installation service. This can include unpacking and inspecting your appliance, expertly installing it in the space provided, connecting it to your existing electrical supply, testing the appliance, and removing all packaging. We also offer disconnection, removal, and recycling of your old integrated appliance. If you're organising installation yourself, bear in mind that you will need an approved electrician to connect the oven, test it, and certify the work. This is why ovens and hobs do not come with cables, to ensure a competent electrician installs the appliance. Most of our ovens will require hardwired connections. Even if they do offer a 13 amp connection, we recommend hardwiring for best results. If you're replacing an oven, it is a good idea to check your current oven's rating plate, particularly if you wish to use your existing cabling. If you have any questions about your current electrics, we recommend you consult an electrician before purchase to survey your current setup. For extra peace of mind, all AEG ovens and cookers come with warranty and a 14-day free return period. If you need any more help or advice, either before purchasing or after your new appliance arrives, our dedicated consumer care team will be happy to help.